Students could have a sly character like me, the fox, do the narration in Adobe's Animate from Audio. All students have to do is click the plus sign and then choose Quick Actions and Animate from Audio. Choose any character they would like, and then they will record their narration, and then Adobe's Animate from Audio will match the character's mouth moving along with the student's voice doing the speaking. That's Adobe's Animate from Audio, making narration that much more fun and exciting.
Once students have chosen a character, they can then select a background. They just click background and then scroll through either solid colors or many of the scenes that will be appropriate for the character or for the project. Once students have chosen a background, they can then click record and record their voice doing the narration.
Now, once you've completed your narration, the video will have to process. You'll see this animation as the video is processing, and then you'll see that it's computing or generating a lip sync, and finally the video will be ready to download. So when it downloads, it's going to be a file on your computer that is a video file, an MP4 file, and it's going to have that background.
Once the video has finished processing, you'll have two options: download or open in Editor. I recommend using Open in Editor because then it's going to open in Adobe Express, and that project will remain in your cloud for your account for Adobe Express. From Editor, you can also download and you'll have your talking character.
You may have noticed that the backgrounds were removed from all the characters in this video tutorial. If you would like to learn how to do that, that can only happen within Adobe Express. If you've already exported as an MP4 file, a video file, and included it in PowerPoint, it's going to have the background. But if you'd like to remove the background in Adobe Express, you can do that, and a member of the Office of Digital Learning team can show you how. Notice how it looks like I'm standing right here on this basketball court. Well, when you place an Animate from Audio object in an Adobe Express project, then you click on that object, in this case me, then you select Remove from Background over here on the left. When you click that, Adobe will remove the background and it will look like I am standing right there in the middle of the basketball court, or wherever the scene is that you've placed the object. So that's the ticket on how you and your students can use fun characters for narration for any project you'd like. You can even include these video files in a PowerPoint, in a flip video, or another type of project in Adobe Express.